very warm welcome to all of our distinguished guests, members of media, friends, family, and our well-wishers. My name is Ahana Chauhan, and I'll be your host for this wonderful evening. Today, we are all gathered here for the official launch of Excellency Studios, the brainchild of Mr. Ravindra Kumar ji. I'll tell you a little something about Ravindra Kumar ji. Ravindra Kumar is a new name for some, but for many he is family. रविंद्र जी ने कई सालों तक इस देश की सेवा की है एंड अब जाके उन्होंने अपने क्रिएटिव विजन और पैशन को एनकरेज करते हुए एक्सीलेंसी स्टूडियोज की स्थापना की है. आज इस खूबसूरत शाम की वजह भी वही है. So without any further delay, I would like to now invite Ravindra Kumar ji on stage to join us. Hello, sir. ओके सो रविंद्र जी आपसे सिर्फ दो क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगा. पहले तो ये कि आपकी ये जर्नी कैसे रही, व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड दिस जर्नी फ्रॉम सर्विंग द कंट्री टू कमिंग इनटू द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री, क्योंकि जहाँ तक हमें पता है दोनों काफी अलग एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ है. तो वी वुड लव टू हियर योर स्टोरी कि आपकी जर्नी कैसे हुई. नो बोथ ऑफ लाइक हाउ डिड द ट्रांजिशन हैपन.
I came here only for entertainment.
Okay.
Initially, in customers, I used to different types of I did CBI also. During that time also, I learned about things. And in 2024, when I came across some people who were struggling in this area. I started something with one organization for this young talent. Studying about but that did not result. Later on, we came across Sanjay Suri. He showed us gave us an idea. And I thought there is good potential, enough talent.
Right. That's absolutely wonderful. That's a great perspective to look at. I would also ask you then, with Excellency Studios now that we are launching it, what are your future plans with Excellency Studios?
So already we have made number of songs, the Melody Studios. Already going to have another 10-12 songs. New talent. Future is very bright. I have already done shooting of something which I don't want to disclose.
Okay. Secret.
Project in line. It will be revealed soon.
Okay, amazing. That's great. We are absolutely looking forward to all the projects, exciting projects Excellency Studio has to offer. With great successful vision is definitely a team behind it, an incredible team behind it.
Yes, basically my patron, mentor is Dr. Deepak Singh.
Dr. Deepak Singh, Deepak sir, if we can have you on stage right now.
Who made me to understand this industry. I think Vikram Bhatt sir is also here.
Sir, hello.
मैं तो सिर्फ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि इस इंडस्ट्री से भागने वाले लोग ज़्यादा हैं, जुड़ने वाले लोग कम हैं और एक इंडस्ट्री का एक हिस्सा बनाते हैं. मैं खुश हूँ कि रविंद्र जी जैसे एम्बिशियस और इंटेलिजेंट आदमी इस काम से जुड़े हैं. आई एम श्योर द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट विल कम आउट विल बी फैंटास्टिक. So I wish you the best. I wish Excellency Studios the best. God जो साहब मुझे लेके आए थे, डॉक्टर साहब आप ट्रेन में बैठ के मुझे ट्रेन में कर दिया।
Thank you everyone. Thank you Ravinder ji. Thank you Vikram ji. Thank you Trivedi sir. Thank you Biju. Thank you everyone जो आए हैं. बस रविंदर जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. बस बहुत अच्छा वेंचर किया है. देश की सेवा करते करते अब फिर देश के लिए काम करें. Thank you. Thank you.
आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए सर। धन्यवाद, आप सभी को धन्यवाद।
So while we are at it, I would also like to invite Mr. Biju sir, who is the CEO of Excellency Studios. We also have Ritesh sir, who is the director of Excellency Studios, and Mr. Amit Gupta, who is the creative head of Excellency Studios. Can we have all of them on stage? Can we have a round of applause, guys? This is the backbone of Excellency Studios. A teamwork is a dream work always.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do you want to say a few words?
I'm very happy to join this venture as a CEO and with blessing that's Ravinder ji. And I wish I'm very happy to be a part of this venture. He designated me as the CEO of the company, and I will try my best to take all the possible opportunities and make it best.
That's beautiful. That's amazing, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming, guys. It's a great evening. Thank you for together. Let's celebrate this beginning. There are more things coming, exciting things coming. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
रितेश जी,
थैंक यू everyone for visiting me. It's an honor सबके साथ काम करके आशीर्वाद देना.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. You can please take this. Okay. Now the moment we all have been waiting for. Let's officially unveil Excellency Studios through its launch AV. Ravinder ji has already built a very successful company and a creative platform that's called Melody Studios. पिछले 6 महीनों से Melody Studios लगातार क्रिएटिव सेशंस कर रही है. कई सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स लॉक भी हुई है. और एक बहुत बड़ा म्यूजिक का जो पैशन है रविंद्र जी का, उसी दिशा में भी काफी सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स भी हुए हैं, जिसमें से एक है a very hit song called Ek Ishq, which has crossed 1.5 million viewership. And now I would like to welcome a talented and renowned actor who has been the main lead of this very hit song, Muskan Mehta. I would also like Mr. Ravindra ji to get on stage. Hello ma'am, welcome, welcome. Sir, please join us on stage. Muskan ma'am, we would love to hear some words from you. How has your experience been working with Ravindra ji and Melody Studios?
Hi, good evening, everybody. I think my experience with Melody Studios and Ravinder ji was amazing. सबसे बड़ी बात इन्होंने एक ही चीज़ पे गौर करवाया था कि ये म्यूजिक वीडियो में हमें जिसको भी काम करना है वो बहुत ही नेचुरल दिखनी चाहिए. As the song itself depicts इश्क, जो एक बहुत ही प्यारा, लवली, एक रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है, और उसमें जो लड़कियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस लव है, so that's how it depicted it. And I think it was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Muskan ma'am. That was lovely. Yes, ma'am. We would love if you could receive this lovely, lovely bouquet. Okay, all right. We are really glad to have you here. Let's officially reveal the poster. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, moving on. Now, this segment of this evening, we will now be inviting some really incredible personalities of the industry.
Hello everyone and congratulations. So it's always wonderful to welcome in our industry new creative and passionate people. So it's always a pleasure to see our industry grow and I'm so much looking forward for the films and web series you are about to produce and show to the world. So all the very best and once again congratulations for the opening of the production house.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Those were really lovely words.
हेलो एवरीवन, सत श्री अकाल एंड मैं सबसे पहले तो दीपक सर को बहुत बहुत मुबारकें देना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने रविंदर सर ने मिलकर इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्शन हाउस शुरू किया है। सो यंगस्टर्स के लिए, नए आर्टिस्ट के लिए एक नया मीडियम है, तो सबके लिए मेरी तरफ से विशेष थैंक यू सो मच।
This wonderful evening. I would like to thank each one of you for being a part of this wonderful evening. Getting here, showing up for the launch, it means a lot. Your presence has made this launch even more memorable. We wish Excellency Studios, Melody Studios and the entire team tremendous success for all of their exciting projects ahead. Thank you for your love, your encouragement and your warm presence. This has been your host Ahana. Please enjoy your evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thanks a lot. आप सबके आने के लिए। आप सब लोग थके होंगे पर खाना पीना।
Let's enjoy the foods and drinks.
Excellent.